Antillean Adventist University has a big dream. Its staff and students want to build a center of influence with an evangelistic center large enough for service to the community and for worship to God. This has been their dream for more than 50 years. Located in Maya West, Puerto Rico, the university is surrounded by tree-covered mountains and has a view of the Atlantic Ocean. Part of the United States, Puerto Rico is a popular tourist destination and a recognized paradise in the Caribbean Sea. In Puerto Rico, people are friendly and they enjoy taking time for good conversation. Among 4 million inhabitants, Seventh-day Adventist members find creative ways to communicate hope by building relationships, and one effective platform is Adventist education. Antillean Adventist University is the church's only institution of higher education in the country. Students from a variety of cultures come from all over to live and study on this campus. At least 22 countries are represented here. Local church members are proud of the university's work in training missionaries. Sanjaj is a nursing student on campus. Here, she studies the body and how to care for it. But she also learns about an intelligent designer who created the amazing inner workings of the human body. Through Adventist friendships and religious programs, Sanjaj has had the opportunity to explore spiritual matters for herself.
Each Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I attend worship services. I've never missed one. These have helped me a lot. The weeks of prayer, Sabbath activities, youth ministries, and all these things have impacted my life since I'd never experienced anything like this before.
As she developed a holistic view of the world, Sanjaj began to fall in love with God and the Adventist family, and then she asked to be baptized. Today, she is an active member in the university congregation and in mission service abroad. She recently returned from a missionary experience in Thailand. Despite its primary role of fostering community, the university still doesn't have a facility to host this group's many outreach activities. From early on, the construction of an evangelistic center has been a cherished dream for this community.
Es de suma importancia este lugar porque desde este lugar.
This place is very important because there will be training for hundreds of young people who will come as pastors and missionaries to serve not only Puerto Rico, but also the United States, Latin America, and the world.
Es necesario en este momento tener ese santuario.
It is necessary to have this sanctuary for the Lord, so that there will be leaders who will bring the good news of the gospel to every corner of the planet.
When completed, this facility will sit 1,000 people and can be used for church services. It will serve as a mission training facility and will also minister to both adults and children. This quarter, a portion of your 13th Sabbath offering will help build this needed center of influence and evangelistic center at Antillean Adventist University. Thank you for your support of Adventist Mission.